In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy Upwork profile link. By the end, you'll know 2 quick ways to grab your profile URL so you can share it in proposals, emails, or on social media. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Upwork and press Enter. Click the official Upwork result to go to the site. If you're not signed in, log in with your account so you can access your profile. Once you're on Upwork, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile area. You'll usually see your photo or your initials there. Click that, then choose your profile to open your public profile page. With your profile open, the first and fastest way to copy your link is directly from the browser's address bar. Click once in the address bar at the top of your browser to highlight the full URL. Then copy it using your usual method. Right-click and select Copy, or use the keyboard shortcut, Ctrl+C on Windows, or Command+C on a Mac. That's your shareable profile link. You can paste it anywhere you need using Ctrl+V or Command+V. This method is great when you're already viewing your profile and want a quick copy. There's also a built-in way to copy your link from within Upwork. While still on your profile page, look for a share option. On desktop, you'll typically find it near your profile header. Click Share, and then choose Copy Link. You'll usually see a brief confirmation that the link was copied. This approach is helpful if you want to be sure you're copying the exact public-facing link as Upwork intends it to be shared. A couple of quick tips to keep things smooth. If someone says they can't view your profile after you send the link, your profile visibility might be set to private or Upwork only. You can adjust visibility later in your settings if needed. Also, keep the link handy in a Notes app or your clipboard manager so you don't have to repeat the process each time. And if you're on mobile, the same 2 ideas apply. Open your profile and copy the browser URL, or use the share option if it's available in the app or mobile site. That's it. Open Upwork, go to your profile, and either copy the address bar URL or click Share and Copy Link. Use whichever feels faster for you. Thanks for watching. And now you're ready to share your Upwork profile link with confidence.